Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please remember to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Today, I want to answer a question posted to my previous video on comments. This is to explain how to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance. To transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance, follow these steps. Go to OKX. Open your OKX wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Withdraw Crypto. Select Withdraw Crypto and choose USDT. Choose Network. Select the TRC20 network for the transfer. Get Binance address. Open your Binance account, go to the Deposit section, and select USDT under TRC20. Copy address. Copy the deposit address generated by Binance. Paste address. Paste the copied address into the withdrawal field on OKX. Enter amount. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Verify. Verify the transaction via email or phone OTP. Wait for confirmation. Wait for the transaction to be processed and check your Binance balance. Make sure to double-check the addresses to avoid any mistakes. If you encounter any issues, feel free to ask for more help. Thank you for listening and watching.